Morning, everybody. Jeff from Rose Rocky Valley Garage. We are on the final thing on the 2008 Mustang on the suspension. We got the struts in yesterday and the sway bar links, and we put the lower control arm on the other side. And it turned out that one had a bad bushing as well, so we were right in making the decision to replace them both. This right here is a sway bar that we have taken pulled out. This is a new bushing that we had to get from Ford because this diameter right here is some kind of weird diameter that we couldn't take and find the part online because the inside diameter of this was wrong. And you don't want any slop in this because the thing is, when you do, it'll make some rattle and everything. Generally, these come in two different types. There's one that has a split here that you can take and just push over the bar. This is actually more of a plastic material. Okay, so it takes a little bit different procedure to take and put that on, and I'd like to share that with you today. If you take a look at this, this will not fit on there. Okay, so, and you'll notice there is one on here already. So how did I do that? Okay, well, I put it on the bench here, and I take my industrial hair dryer and I take and warm the thing up, and you have to maintain a distance of about 3 inches on the thing because this doggone thing takes and puts out some heat. Okay, so you go ahead and you warm this all up and everything, and then it will readily take and deform to take and slip over this, and then you're back to the round, and then you just finally take and push it into position. You might need to take and tap it into position just a little bit when you're going over this area right here, because this is obviously bigger than the diameter. But anyway, this is just a little tech tip on how to take and get these puppies on. So we got one more to do, and then we're going to be putting this back in the car, and that should be it for the 2008 Mustang. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope I brought you some good information to get you out of a jam, make your job a little bit easier. Try those jobs. I totally encourage you, see how far you can get. Research on YouTube University. Look at my videos, wherever you get your information. Take and use that to the best of your ability and just go for it. Okay? Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you next time.